Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm down in the crawl space. I really hate being down in the crawl space. It sucks to work in. But anyway, down here because of a sump pump issue, and my sump pump is no longer functioning. So now we've got to replace it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So here's my sump pump. We're going to lean down, and it's way down at the bottom. It's a submersible sump pump. So what I'm going to do is I've disconnected it. Disconnected the electrical, right? And I'm going to cut off this pipe here and here and get rid of this joint that doesn't actually function. So I'm going to cut that out right now. And I do the high-tech approach. I'm going to use a saw, a hand saw. Alright, took the crappy joint that doesn't work out. You should be able to undo this with a pair of pliers. But I wasn't able to do that because I think they glued it in. Anyway, whatever. I'm going to pull out the sump pump. So, angle this down there. Here is the sump pump. That's the animal right there. So, I'm going to see if I can reuse this pipe. If I can unhook that, we'll go from there. Okay, I think that's this. We'll be able to turn this out. It seems like it's got a bunch of different connections here. I don't know why it needs so many connections. But, let's see if this just turns in. Yeah. Well, would you look at that? Alright, so this is a Everbilt half-horse submersible pump. And that's what I'm going to put in instead of the old one. Open this up. So, whoops, oh, there goes the manual. All right. Do not return to store. Nice. Okay, so has quite a lengthy cord here, and then we have your float switch. Okay, I don't know how far this has to be up before it triggers, but we'll see. And then we have an adapter. So it comes with this neat adapter here to get a smaller pipe. So I think I've got the bigger pipe, and it already has a bit of the pipe dope on it there, so I think I'm just going to crank this in and install it. Why is that one spinning? Why is that one spinning? That's weird. It looks like it's in. Alright, so I'm going to crank this all the way in. We're going to give it a nice little tighten with the pipe wrench. Nothing major. It's plastic. I don't want to kill the threads, but I do want it kind of. Okay, so we're going to put the sump pump in. So pull out the wire and just set it down into the pit. Okay. And See how we have a little bit of a gap here? So what we're doing is I've picked up a check valve. Okay. And then what happens is this opens in one direction to allow water to flow through it. So it comes in through this side and it comes out through this side. So you can check it by blowing in it. If you can blow through it, that's the side that goes in the bottom. You can't blow through the other side. This is the one that goes to the top. So we're going to put that on here. Oh no, I need a different... Shit, I thought that was the right size. Okay, I need to get another adapter for that. And this is out all the way, looks like. Wow. Oh no, there we go. It does fit. So, I put this on, the adapter, tighten that up, make it nice and tight, and that is tight. And then on this one, that's nice and tight. Alright. I just have to get the adapter for the top. So make sure these are all tight. Looks good. Alright, so now we're going to put up some strapping. This is called all-around steel strapping, and it looks like this. It's like a piece of steel, a bunch of holes in it. Right. So what you do is you select the size that you want. You can bend it any way you want, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this up here and just screw it into place to hold, just to give this some support. Right. There we go. Just to support it. I'll cable tie this up after. So let's just connect that. I'll plug this in. Oh, there we go. Nice. Alright, so the last bit we do is just cable tie this up. So I've cable tied the cable away from the float at the bottom. I've supported it along the pipe, and I've cable tied it up here so that it gives it enough room to plug in and supports it at the top. Alright, we've did some tie strap just to support it so it doesn't go anywhere, and then the rest of it's good. So yeah, we've tested it. Whoops, we've tested it and everything works good, and it's down in the pit. Anyway, so yeah, can you do this yourself? Yeah, you can. If you're in a crawl space, it sucks. Like, I'm in the crawl space and I hate it in here. But most of the time you'll be in like a regular basement, and it won't be so bad. So I spent $220 on the pump, $20 on the check valve, which you don't really need, but if you have longer runs and stuff, it prevents it from flowing back into the pit and pumping it over and over again. Right, and then I have some couplers. These, you don't need to use those. You can you can put it in like a solid piece, and depending on where you are, if you're running it up in the ceiling in like a finished space, glue them together. But most of the time you can get away cutting it where I am, where I did, right over top of the pit. So if a little bit does leak out, it doesn't matter, because it's just going to leak into the pit, and it's not going to ruin the pump because the pump's submersible, so who cares, right? Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe and see more of this sort of thing, hit the subscribe button. And beside the subscribe button, there's like a little bell, and that's a notification button. And if you click on that, you'll be notified of any of the new videos that I make come up. All right? Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.